Taking care of myself is one of my top priorities, but as I age, I'm concerned about the vitamins and minerals that I may be missing out on. My doctor said that I should start supplementing with vitamin K, but what does that do for me?
Vitamin K is great to add to your regimen. Not only does it help maintain healthy bone density, it also promotes healthy calcium balance in the arteries. The problem is it's tough for your body to absorb enough vitamin K from food alone. That's why we created Super K Elite. It's our most complete vitamin K supplement ever because it includes vitamin K1 and 4 forms of vitamin K2. So you'll be getting the optimal amounts for your health.
After researching on lifeextension.com, I discovered that Super K's formulation is based on clinical studies, so there aren't a bunch of ingredients that I don't need. It's been a little while since I started supplementing with Super K, and while I can't see the difference, my doctor says that my bone density and my heart health are right where I need them to be, which is comforting.